Today we practice the partner numbers. Why? Because with the partner numbers, you can do mental arithmetic much better, even more difficult tasks like subtraction. So make sure to stay until the end and then, above all, keep practicing.
Today we practice the partner numbers, and we will take another look at the digits and colors. The sequence of numbers is a simple yet fundamental concept in mathematics, starting with the number 1. This is followed by the number 2. Next, we have the number 3, followed by 4. The number 5 is next. Continuing, we encounter the number 6. The sequence then includes 7, followed by 8. Finally, we conclude with the number 9. Partner numbers are sometimes also called love numbers. These are the numbers that add up to 10. In the realm of numbers, there exists a fascinating pattern where certain pairs add up to the number 10, a number often associated with completeness and perfection. The journey begins with the pair of 1 and 9. Following this, we encounter 2 and 8. As we delve deeper, 3 and 7 join forces. The pair of 4 and 6 is next. Then we meet 5 and 5. Continuing on, 6 and 4 come together. Followed by 7 and 3. Finally, 8 and 2 and 9 and 1, each adding up to the magical number 10, a testament to the wonder of mathematics.